So, ayan. So, pupunta kami ulit sa sushi. Ayun si Daddy.
Have you guys prepared a gift for me?
This is our gift already. We eat outside.
Wow. Restaurant I'm talking about.
Okay.
One big steak sushi, Asian buffet. And we are Asian.
Okay. Go.
That was my
Yeah. Okay. What do you want to order?
So many sushi. Oh, there's rice too. I didn't know that. Wow, this is
Rice daw.
tempura.
So, tempura. What else?
Tatlo.
You press 3. 1.
Ay, dalawa lang. Tatlo yung...
Hindi, okay na.
Oh, sige.
Do I like press?
Hindi.
If quantity.
Dito.
Plus.
okay.
Plus sign.
Tatlo. 2, 3. Okay, what
Yeah.
else?
Let me take a look. First, Izamu sushi.
Sushi.
Oh, there. I did not realize that.
Ayan, yan. Kunin mo yan. Isa.
Okay. You guys ordered two, obviously.
Ako na.
Find one that's the shrimp. We're just gonna be ordering some food, and so I'm gonna call you guys back after we order some food. And yeah, see you guys.
Oh, what is your order?
Crab meat.
Anong masasabi mo?
Crab.
Balik ulit. Ano yan?
There's 6 pieces though.
Meron ay. Sige, isa. Isa na.
And we order one last
No,
one.
because I ordered 3 each already. So,
Okay.
we can refill it if...
Kanin
Okay.
yan, mabusog ka ulit. Yung mga,
Yung
yung
ano
mga
na
roll-roll dun.
Yung sa baba, ano ko.
Yan, yung mga maliliit na.
Nag-ano na ako ng tempura.
What? Yes.
Yan. Oh, yung nuggets. Yung nuggets.
What is
Yan
that?
yan.
That's
Meron
a,
na, 3 ang
That's a
order.
tempura
Yeah.
scallop. That
Yeah.
is not nuggets.
No, I
Sige na,
ordered
sige.
already that one. So, okay na.
But that's a scallop. Okay guys, well, pretty cool.
Hi.
I'm gonna get some stuff
Yeah.
here.
Which one?
What is this?
Oh,
Is
ito.
that mango? Whoa.
Miso soup.
That's a miso soup. That is
You want to try the miso soup or this one? We try the other one. That is sweet and sour.
okay.
I'm seeing this one.
What's that?
Wonton ito. You want the wonton?
Okay.
Okay, let's try.
Trying the food. Wow. Mango. That's cool. Oh, that's a corn. Can I get some mango? Yeah. Get one mixer mini bowl. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go do this while holding the phone. It's okay. I can't do it. I just hope this is actually mango. Like, is it? Of course. I hope. It's okay. This is gonna be fun. Beautiful. I got some mangoes.
You got one?
I got mangoes. I love me mangoes. How the heck am I gonna eat this?
Yummy. Yummy siya.
Okay.
Oh, refreshing.
Masarap to, wonton.
I like this thingy.
Mm. Ilagay ko muna dito yung drinks mo na ko.
Okay.
Mm.
First dish arrived. It's a fried rice. Malalaman mong Pilipino ang kakain kung may rice.
I think it's good.
One more, one more.
Masarap yun. Wonton.
May taste your mango.
Ito nga, natikman nyo
I
to.
did it, Dad.
Yeah, you did it.
So we have this
Oh, yeah.
first.
Put it here. Okay, guys, we got some sushi here, which is the shrimp and
So
salmon.
you can start now.
You did it, April.
April, try.
Very good.
I'm trying to practice my
I want this salmon.
irritable.
Yummy.
Where's your wasabi? This is your wasabi. This. That's your wasabi.
Oh, I put it back, Will. Wait, oh. I kicked it again. I told you wasabi.
Wasabi.
It's not my favorite.
Anong nangyari?
For that. That is just.
Are you just pretending?
Yeah.
Bruh. Oh.
Yan.
I
Huwag mga
tried
hatiin.
it.
Hindi pwede. Ano? Huwag mo hatiin, isubo mo agad. Huwag mo hatiin yan.
Oh, okay. That's something.
Kasi masisira. Very good.
The next is this.
Let me taste.
Dynamite ata yan. California roll. Ito yung crab, anak ko, crab siya. Masarap.
Let go.
Ano, masarap sa April? You like it?
Shrimp.
That's crab.
Ay, crab mo ba? Ah. Datan ba ito?
Pull it, pull it.
Wonton. That is a wonton.
Which one?
Wonton. Ito oh, ketchup na.
Yeah. Wow. Yummy.
Masasabi mo sa crab? Good?
Oh.
Mainit. Yan anak ko. It's the crab. Di ba paborito mo rin?
Fake crab to, fake crab. Fake crab. Pero parang crab siya. Pero masarap. Tignan mo. Oh.
Masarap. Mainit.
Ayan. Marunong na si Pen kumain ng mag-isa. Parang to baby pa lang. Baby pagat na pala.
Happy,
Yes.
happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday anak ko. I love you.
Happy birthday. Ano, busog ka na, April? Ayan na yung tempura mo. Tempura. Tapos ito. Ay, parang dynamite ito. Parang kanak. This is our last hour. April, nabusog ka ba?
Yeah, definitely.
Parang malungkot ka.
Malungkot kasi busog.
I am.
Ha?
I don't know. Oh my god, let me win.
Ito. Anong gusto mong ice cream din?
Ice cream. Ano yung pagkaon?
Doon ka na lang sa kabila. May chocolate, may... Ewan ko, vanilla ata to, mango. And... What is that?
This one.
Wanna try
Ito
that?
yung kung ano ito.
Kung gusto niya yun. Doon, hindi.
Ah.
Ayan na naman yung paborito ko. Chocolate yun, wag na yan. Chocolate. Gusto mo ng chocolate?
Eh, lahat ng flavor na.
Okay. Ito din. I want the vanilla. Pudding. Pudding. Ano to? Mango. I don't like.
Wow.
You want to try? Sorry. Nahulog pa. Ilan? Ito. Tig-isa tayo. And then, let's put something. Ano to? Sweet yan.
Oh, tama na. Kunti lang mo ko. Pasok na ako. Ice cream ba yan, ma'am?
Yan na, pag ano, mag-refill na lang tayo kung kulang. Ha?
Mura.
Yeah, you hold this. Hold this one.
Ayan, doon pa ako.
Tapos na.
Hmm.
You just try, whatever.
Yun, strawberry. Tatambling.
Yan na ang ano, happy birthday
Hey,
to
April.
you.
Ah,
Happy
ta.
birthday to
Happy
April.
birthday, April.
Yay! Yay! Si Samantha is tulog.